Hello everyone, I'm so glad to see you back in OT Closet. This is Miss Olga, occupational therapist. Let's do some hand warm-ups with Pop-It. You need to get any size Pop-It, a marble, a bead, or M&M. When we finish, I have a surprise for you. Pop-It comes in different shapes and sizes. If yours looks different, that's okay. If you run out of bubbles to pop, just turn it over and keep exercising. Pick up your Pop-It and pull it apart so all the bubbles are facing up. Let's use your right thumb and index finger. Press with the thumb, index, thumb, index. You have 15 seconds. Go! Now use your left thumb and index finger. You have 15 seconds. Start! Pull on your Pop-It one more time. Let's use your right thumb and pinky. Thumb, pinky, thumb, pinky. You have 15 seconds. Switch to your left thumb and pinky. 15 seconds. Start. Pick up the Pop-It and push the bubbles up using both hands. 15 seconds. Let's do the slide. Hold the Pop-It with one hand and with the other hand, slide your index finger down. 15 seconds. Start. Now let's push the ball using your right index finger. Start. Switch to your left hand and push the ball using your left index finger. Push the marble using your left thumb. Now try it with your right thumb. You can start. Amazing! Now it's time for Kinder Egg. It's a tree! I'm so glad we played again together. I will see you in my next video. Bye!